Hi guys, in front of me is CAT S75 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first enroll the list of all apps and go to settings. And then find and select wallpaper and choose the source from which you want to select your wallpaper from. It can be one from live wallpapers, something from your own photos, or one picture from a wallpapers album. And I would like to pick this third one. Now smoothly choose the picture that you want to cover your screen with, and once you select it, click on Set Wallpaper. Finally decide if it's for your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both of them. And that's it, that will be all. As you can see, it has been applied. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.